Welcome back to day 5, Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Video editing is all about telling a story by choosing what to show and what to cut out. The most fundamental tool for this is the blade tool. In less than 3 minutes, you'll learn how to make your very first cut. Let's say we want to remove a section from the middle of this clip. First, we need to make 2 cuts. To do that, we'll use the blade tool. You can select it from the tool menu, but it's much faster to just press the B key on your keyboard. Move your playhead to where you want to make the first cut. With the blade tool active, simply click on the clip. You'll see a dotted line appear, and now you have 2 separate clips. Now, move the playhead further down to the end of the section you want to remove, and click again to make your second cut. Now that we've isolated the bad take, you need to switch back to the normal select tool. Just press the A key. Click on the middle clip to select it, and press the delete key. It's gone. And because of Final Cut Pro's magnetic timeline, the gap closes up automatically. Congratulations, you've just made your first reel edit. The blade tool is great for cutting things out, but what about refining the start and end of a clip? That's called trimming, and we'll cover it in the next video. Sick. Like and subscribe so you don't miss dates.